Hearty welcome, dear friends. Today we are discussing about an insurance coverage for vector-borne diseases. Vector-borne diseases generally happen from an infection transmitted to humans and other animals by blood-feeding arthropod insects like mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, etc. For instance, vector-borne diseases can include dengue fever, malaria, chikungunya, etc. These are a major public health concern and they affect a large number of people all around the world. According to a report by World Health Organization, vector-borne diseases account for more than 17% of all infectious diseases all over the world. Also, the report states that they cause more than 7 lakhs deaths all over the world. Also, you may note that more than 3.9 billion people are at risk of contracting dengue, with an estimation of 96 million cases per year in over 128 countries. The cost of treatment for dengue can range anywhere from Rs 30,000 to Rs 80,000. Therefore, having a vector-borne disease insurance will help the customers to protect themselves financially in fighting vector-borne diseases. Vector-borne diseases such as dengue, malaria, chikungunya have always been common in India. People take them lightly in the initial phase and thus proper treatment is not given on time, because of which the disease causes serious conditions or fatal in many cases. Insufficient money or carelessness are major reason for lack of treatment. An insurance cover for vector-borne diseases will help the people to take control of such unforeseen situations. Taking an insurance policy for vector-borne diseases is emphasized so that people don't end up losing their financial stability and health in case of an emergency. During the starting of COVID pandemic, IRDA came with two specific policies with conditions and coverage on pan-India basis to fight COVID pandemic. Similarly, IRDA has proposed all insurers to launch a specific policy to cover vector-borne diseases. In order to convince public for getting health insurance coverage to specified vector-borne diseases, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has encouraged all general and health insurers to offer standard vector-borne diseases health policy. This health policy can preferably be available by 1st April 2021. IRDA proposes the name for the policy as Mashak Rakshak policy. The name of the policy by each company will be name of the company followed by Mashak Rakshak. For example, the New India Assurance Company Mashak Rakshak policy will be the name for policy from New India Assurance Company. No other name is allowed by the IRDA for any of the documents. The insurance company can mention the meaning of Mashak in vernacular also after the word Mashak. Then meaning in vernacular should be in brackets, and the vernacular language can be selected depending upon the region where the policy is sold. In English, the name of the product shall be Mashak, then mosquito in bracket, then Rakshak. Mashak, mosquito, Rakshak. IRDA proposes a universal framework for the policy. The scope of coverage has two sections, namely 1 hospitalization and 2 diagnosis. This is a lump sum payment policy. That means this is a benefit policy which make payment of a claim subject to satisfaction of certain policy conditions and not connected to the expenses incurred for treatment of a disease. That's why this is a benefit policy. As earlier said, the coverage under the policy has been divided into two sections. Section 1, hospitalization benefit. Section 2, diagnosis cover. Hospitalization benefit includes lump sum benefit equal to 100% of the sum insured shall be payable on a positive diagnosis of any of the covered vector-borne diseases requiring hospitalization for a minimum continuous period of 72 hours. The diseases include dengue fever, malaria, filaria or lymphatic filariasis, chikungunya, Japanese encephalitis and Zika virus. You may please note that all the vector-borne diseases are not covered under this policy. Diseases covered under this policy are specifically mentioned in the policy. The section 2 under this policy is called diagnosis cover. Here, 2% of the sum insured shall be payable on positive diagnosis of every covered vector-borne diseases on the first diagnosis during the coverage period, subject to policy terms and conditions. Here, the positive diagnosis means diagnosis based through laboratory examination and confirmed by a registered medical practitioner. In this case, hospitalization is not necessary to settle the claim. Only diagnosis is enough. If an insured person diagnosed of a covered vector-borne disease and got claim as per section 2, that is diagnosis cover, and subsequently hospitalized for more than 72 hours, he will get the claim of 100% sum insured less the claim settled as per the diagnosis cover. So anyhow, 100% of the sum insured will be the maximum payable claim under a policy. The minimum sum insured under the standard policy shall be rupees 10,000, wherein the amount can be increased in multiples of rupees 10,000 and the maximum limit can go up to rupees 2 lakhs per policy. The policy can be on individual basis for an individual or family or on floater basis for the entire family. The minimum entry age shall be 18 years and maximum age at entry shall not be more than 65 years for all the insured members including the principal insured. Vector-borne diseases such as dengue, malaria and chikungunya have always been common in India. Recently, Zika virus cases were identified. The exact premium rate is not available at present. The policy shall be offered both on individual and floater sum insured basis. According to IRDA's announcement, the premium under the product will be on a pan-India basis and no geographic or zone-based pricing will be allowed. The standard Mashak Rakshak policy shall have coverage as specified in these guidelines, which shall be uniform across all general and health insurers. The policy will be available from all the general and health insurance companies all over India. The IRDA has advised all the insurers to launch the policy by 1st of April 2021. Generally, all Mediclaim policies cover all vector-borne diseases, even though a person having a Mediclaim policy can also opt for Mashak Rakshak policy. IRDA has selected the right time to launch this policy considering the upcoming monsoon, as that's when the people suffer the most from vector-borne diseases and with fear of COVID-19 is still around. I believe it will be a good offering for all. On receiving more information on Mashak Rakshak, it will be explained in another video. Thank you. With a request to like, subscribe and share the video.